What is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to a new video, and as you can see, we've got quite the unboxing today. This is the HobbyZone Champ, and no, it is not new. I got it off eBay for $20, which is pretty good, but it is an as-is model, meaning that the electronics are completely untested and it is rather beat up. But for the price, that's only a small fraction of what this thing is worth new. So hopefully, I can get at least some sort of use out of this. I'm totally expecting all the electronics to be completely toast. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing on opened up here. So yeah, let's start off. Let me grab my box cutter, and I think we're just gonna open it like this. All right, here we are. So let's see. So you can see right here we got the MLP, pretty standard stuff. We got package contents. We got a battery charger here. Let's see if I can rip that out. This is the older style before they went to the USB stuff, but you can see the one thing that was not included with this was an actual battery, so I have a battery right here that we can try it out on. And then right here is the actual plane itself. It's kind of taped in there, so there we have it. Alright, just a little guy. HobbyZone Champ, much smaller than all the pictures look. Obviously this is the smallest plane I've ever flown, but looks like it's in decent working condition, at least physically. There is some Gorilla Glue right here that was taped up from this wing. The tail support could use a little bit of help, but let's see. I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and power this thing on and see what happens. Ooh, we got some power. That's a good sign. It's a good sign. It's in bind mode. I'm going to create a new model with my DX6E. Looks like it's 1024 resolution, and it says they all work. This thing is fully functional. That is nice. Wow, I was not expecting that out of this airplane. Let's see. Looks like the prop is a little bit beat up here. I think I can use some CA glue and fix that all up. We'll just have to Velcro this thing in here and do a little bit of damage assessment. But I'm pleasantly surprised. This thing actually does work. As you can see, that linkages right here are a little bit loose and messed up, probably just from the endless amounts of abuse that this thing has taken. So at the very least, this thing is going to need a little bit of a glue job with some CA glue, as well as I might have to go ahead and reinforce some things with popsicle sticks, stuff like that. However, I'm really excited about this thing. Obviously, I'm not using the original transmitter. I might sell that on eBay or just throw it away in storage. You know I have another one of those. But the rudder works, elevator works, and we got throttle. So yeah, I'm really happy with this thing. I was mainly buying this for the control board on the inside, so I can make little projects out of foam for it. Obviously, I looked at the pictures and this thing doesn't look that great. My main concern here is the tail feathers. Of course, they look really beat up. But in another video, I'm going to go ahead and address these. But yeah, that's it for the HobbyZone Champ eBay untested little unboxing that we have here. It's a great deal, and yeah, it's a great, like I said, great deal. Shipping was double the actual cost, so it's $20. It's about a $50 total investment. But as local, you know, it's a good deal, and I'm really happy with this purchase. So yeah, stay tuned for another video, of course, where I go ahead and go through this thing in depth and see if we can get it flying again, and then maybe a little later after that we can part out the internals from this and see if we can make something else out of it. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.